Okay, hey guys, I'm a Gamer of Shadows, and today we're going to be unboxing Pokemon White 2. I just got it today. I've already unboxed Black 2 and got Genesect, and I'm just going to unbox this. The way I unbox things is really weird because I bite that, and then I just rip the game open. And it usually works pretty well, but I don't want to break the case. Here it is unboxed. I kind of messed up the case a little bit. Here's the game on the inside. Here's the code, which you can't see, apparently. A bunch of random crap in here that you don't really care about. And instead of ending the video here, we're going to jump right into the game right now. Yeah, quick unboxing. Gotta wait for the game to load up on here. I might have to, like, turn this off, turn it back on to get the game to load in. Looks like that's what I'm going to have to do. Pardon the sudden change in darkness, but it's gonna happen. It's gonna have to happen anyway. Come on, game, turn off. Let's go. Did I just crash the system? Here, let me hold down the power button for like 8 minutes. Wow. Anyway, I haven't really played the game at all yet. I was waiting until I got home, and I'm glad I got home, and I think I beat GCPM11 and PokeCinema at this, so I'm happy. We're now going to start up the game, as you can see here. Let me turn up the sound a little bit, turn it back down. When I see fit, you will be able to see the bottom screen, so don't worry. And this is the best I can record it with. So I'm sorry if it doesn't look too appropriate. If it gets too loud, my parents will yell at me. There we go. And there's absolutely nothing on the bottom screen, so don't worry. And there's your bottom screen. We're gonna go ahead and get Genesect on here. I'll show you getting him. Yes. Nintendo Wi-Fi. Yes. It's gonna connect. And to get Genesect, you have to have Wi-Fi at your home. And you just connect to Wi-Fi and it's gonna search. And it's going to say the mythical Pokemon Genesect, the signature move Technoblast, can change type, find out at the official Pokemon website. And now it's going to transfer into our game. Gift has been received, please pick up your gift from the delivery man. There you go. And now we have Genesect. My netbook is open here to the side to charge my iPod. And, in case I need to look up stuff, such as Bulbapedia, you've already seen that, so you don't need to see it again. And now we're actually going to hop into the game. Sorry it took like 5 minutes, but here you go. I'm not going to read it either. Oh crap, I forgot to speed up the text. In her Mincino or whatever evolved, I don't even remember what it was called. If I skip it too fast, I'm sorry, but that's the pace I read it at. Now in this game we're going to be a boy because it's the main game, and in another game I'm going to be a girl, just because. My name, I'm perfectly okay with Shadow. So let me go ahead and name myself, it's at the bottom screen. Well, that's horrible spelling. I suck at this. There we go. Name is Shadow. Yes, it is. And this is our rival. His default name is Hugh. We're gonna call him DTG, after my other friend who's getting this game. Yep, that's his name. There's the abbreviation for his name anyway. Right, now here we go, we're actually in the game now. It is summertime, even though it is winter here. / autumn, fall. And this is being played on the 3DS. We'll be taking breaks, partially, for water and such. Hi. Why, Aria Juniper, it's been far too long, what can I do for you? A Pokedex for your kid? Yeah, it's amazing. She's already there? No, you'll never change, man. Alright, tell Bianca, Big Green Hat. So, yeah, I know a little bit about this game from the Japanese version, but I haven't watched it in months. So, yeah, I'm home, and our room is just off to the side this time. We do not have running shoes yet. You don't auto-adjust, that's okay. Juniper's a famous researcher, and she's an old friend. She's really cool. Yeah. Yeah. I don't want one. Yes, I know how to open my bag, Mother. Jeez. You're one stereotypical mom. Here's what the bottom screen looks like in this game. It's pretty legit. Options. Fast. Confirm. Alright, we're good to go. Now we just leave, right? Yeah. I think we're gonna be bothered at the door here. Hi, Shadow. Yeah, this is, if I call him Ricky, I'm sorry. This is DTG. And he has his little sister with him. I'll take good care of it, lady. I shouldn't be interrupted because the only person I talk to is not very happy with me right now. So she can go, simmer while I play this game. Which is amazing. Alright, let's go find that person named Bianca. Let's do it. I gotta make sure that my computer doesn't turn off. And poo, I walked inside a house by accident. Bianca's up at the top left of town, I'm pretty sure. Or you can get to her by the top left of town. There's a Pokemon Center in your main town. I think it's actually a city in this game. And you just come up here, and she is up here. Yeah. Oh, I get it. The Outlook is Asperia's most famous spot. I bet Bianca is looking up the scenery. Come on. Yeah, here she is. It's so pretty. Hi there, don't you agree? I'm Nerdy. My name's Bianca. I'm the Pokemon Professor's assistant. I am Shadow. Yeah, she is still ditzy in this game. No. And I already know I'm getting Oshawott is by far the best in this game. If you don't agree, that's fine. But I think he is. Yeah, Oshawott perfect. And I really should have thought ahead because I don't want to name him Slash. I'm gonna name him Seth. Where is it? Yes. Seth, is that the name you want? It's the best thing I can think of. And I already have my team pretty much predetermined. So, we'll be good to go. Alright, can I just leave now? And is he gonna say something about a Pokedex too? Yeah, Pokedex. Yeah, he wants one. I'm DGG. I want to be the best. And with my flamey hair. So he gets one, I'm sure. And now he's gonna battle us. And his Rivals music is epic in this game. Rival's a total boss in this game, and you'll see why later. Not just his music, but everything about him is pretty epic. And this is the standard tackle battle at the beginning of the game. This is what your fight looks like in this game. And now it's pretty much Tackle Fest to start out with. I think after this video I'm going to take a break and get something to eat. And the video's going to end with me getting Genesect. So right after this battle, I'm going to leave. And I'm going to set this to upload real quick. And I think it's going to be too long to upload to this channel. Or this on my iPod. So I'm probably going to have to trade it over to my computer. Which isn't that big of a deal. And we get practically 2 levels from that. I couldn't achieve victory. I'm so angry. I will paraphrase text. Alas, this is different than battling wild Pokemon. I'm happy to know that I can be a trainer. And now she's going to show us the Pokemon Center, where the delivery man should be creeping inside. At least she's not giving us the stupid tutorial music that they used to give you. Never mind. That's what I get for saying something. This is not a full playthrough, this is an important events playthrough, because it's too much work to do a full playthrough, and if I say I'm going to complete it, I won't. I know I won't, because that's how I am. Next, she'll explain the stupid PC. This is where you store stuff. And now she's going to show us the Pokemart. You can buy stuff here. And she gives us Pokeballs. I do not know how many she's going to give us. Now she's going to show us how to use these. But she can wait. There's Genesect. I'm going to show you him, and we're going to end the video. He's level 15, actually. I thought he was level 50. This is what he looks like. He knows Technoblast, Magnet Bomb, Solar Beam, and Signal Beam. Technoblast has a power of 85. The user fires a beam of light at its target. This type changes depending on the drive the user is holding. And he has a gift ribbon. a ribbon that proclaims love for Pokemon. Thank you guys for watching. I am the Gamer of Shadows, and definitely stay tuned for more Pokemon Black and White 2 in the future. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more. And au revoir.